really doing, sir, this year? It's like a lot of people are afraid because you also predicted in the book that President Buhari is coming back again. So
yes, sir, he will come back.
Yes.
Who is campaigning against him now? Have you seen anybody campaigning?
No, sir. I know there's Omo Ileshowore that's campaigning.
Oh.
No,
Showore is just making himself known for 2030.
No, that's a great guy who was going there.
What made Showore great? Showore was prosecuted, was driven away from the University of Lagos. He didn't have a good record. Psalm 11 verse 3. Only thing, do we need a radical? Our families Showore made a tumo. Ta ló ti dìbò fún rí? Ṣé bó ṣe ń bọ̀ láti diaspora ni?
Yes, sir.
Ẹ ṣé ó ti dìbò fún yín kan tẹ́lẹ̀? Ta ló fẹ́ gbàgbọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ta ló jẹ níbò? Ẹ má pọ̀ nǹkan lẹ́ṣà.
He's a handsome guy.
Èrádì. Ṣé wọ́n handsome ni?
Sorry, sir.
O ugly ni?
No,
Okay, ṣé bó ṣe gé irun ẹ̀ yẹn la fẹ́?
yes, sir.
Look at this guy.
He has been going everywhere.
Ó ní Olúwa ò tí ọ nípa ọkọ̀ àti ìdàgbà nílà.
Okay, sir.
Ó ní ẹni 1 Samuel 16.
Okay.
Ó ní ènìyàn mi wo ojú. Olúwa ṣe kí ni? Ó ní I have already rejected Saul, but I myself have sent you to pick up another prophet, another king. And that was why it's very easy for King Samuel to say in the book of 1 Samuel 12, 1 to 10. He said, I have already picked a king for you. Look at your king. Oh yeah, let the Lord pick for us. Let the Lord what? Pass through the land. When you look at Jeremiah 8, from 1 to the end, when you look at the book of Proverbs 16, 1 to 5, Proverbs 3, verse 16, 17, 18, then Proverbs 4, verse 10, 11, 12, 13 to 16, then Proverbs 1, verse 10 to 17. He said, don't go their route, don't go their way. Evil people will never go to bed until they sleep. You get what I'm saying? Then all what we are looking for has been given to us. That's Proverbs 3, verse 16. He said, in your right hand, I'll put long life. Then in the left hand, prosperity and peace of mind. Is your peace of mind in the hand of Showore?
No, he's a president. No, I don't think so. No, he funded Sarari.
But you must know, you say he's handsome.
Yes, he
funded.
No, sir. No, sir.
Has Showore run any business to a profit before?
No, Sarari reporter, sir.
He was only...
What you are doing is what is doing.
It's what you are doing. Okay. Oh, you will say it up to want to be a president.
Maybe, sir.
Or in a fellow Abuja?
No, sir. No, sir.
A journalist fellow president?
No, sir. No, sir. No, people are just saying that Buhari, that this surveillance is too much. That why?
Who suffered? Buhari was not the one that suffered. It was good luck.
The people have been...
Our suffering did not come from Buhari.
Okay, sir. A lot of people are...
A
lot of people are broke.
Money one fair broke, not broke.
Okay, sir.
Ṣebí during Buhari, during good luck, no cause no policy.
It's true, sir.
You know good luck, in time good luck, no cause safety tank. Ṣebí what about now? There are not all the states in America, in Nigeria, out of the 36 states. 30 out of it are failed states.
Yeah, failed, sir.
If not because of the money they are collecting, they didn't work. What does it say in the book of Genesis 26, 1 to 5? He said, go and till the land. And you know that local, and you go see Borebe, see laptop, and say Yahoo. What if I did? Or you bought him no more.
People are just, their car, they can't maintain their car again, you know.
Who bought the car for them before? They stole money to buy the car.
Yes.
They stole the money to buy the car.
Pay salary too. 12 months.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is paying your salary?
It's God, sir.
They will kill on those states.
There's another guy, Fela too, that's also campaigning.
Money go back on don't share more left for 2030.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now, before we round up, there is this
program. Party will not be campaign.
They said they're going to join the party very soon. So they are joining anytime from now. So they are joining. Showore is joining anytime from now. Then I think New Alliance Party. That's Fela too. New Nigerian. Okay, so what can you tell Nigerians, especially for next election? There are a lot of things going on now, and people are looking out for 2019. People believe that maybe the economy will be okay and things will be all right. And a lot of people are saying all sorts of things. There have been letters persuading the president not to run. Babangida has written his letter. General Obasanjo has written his letter. Even T.Y. Danjuma has also said his own. A lot of oppositions to Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari.
Well, I didn't mean I'm the president. The very hour they brought those letters from those generals, I will create a new cell for them. It's because they are comfortable, that's why they have the right to write a letter. They are the spoiler of the economy. Babangida promised us every year, Vision 1010, Vision 22, Vision 33, and even bring Ifalai. He sharp us to the extent that we adjust our belt to our testing during his regime.
That's SAP, sir. That's Structural Adjustment Program.
That was Babangida.
Okay, sir.
Then the Obasanjo's regime, who authorized, who made Obasanjo the father of Nigeria? He has the same right I have. It's because he has the edge into our cover. That was why you say Obasanjo is another statement. My father is above 90. Can you Obasanjo now? If my father and Obasanjo is eating, Obasanjo has no right to take fish before my father. Kò ní right láti tí wọ́n bọ̀ nú abọ́ láti mẹ́ta ṣáájú bẹ́ẹ̀ láti mi. Ta ló sọ the other statement? Nígbà tí Nàìjíríà ò ti mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe, orí wa dàrú, ó gbé first stack wá kò kàn wá. You never even call us to eat.
Oh, no referendum?
No. For first stack? No. Then again, you were there for several as a military officer. We didn't get anything. And that was where we know that truly is an able man. Even when he was in Abuja, his brothers will leave from the east to come and collect their feeding money. And that was why it's easy for him to befriend the mother of Kaoji Kalu. He speak Igbo fluently more than the father was a constable who married a woman who roasted plantain at Mugu. They're writing a letter because they have a visage that this man will collect the oil license from them and he may not sign it. That was their headache. The money they have stolen for us is not enough for them. They want to be making the money every day. How on earth is an abomination for Obasanjo to go and collect a jet from Dangote to be flying everywhere when the road to the village of Abeokuta is already in a dilapidated condition, deplorable condition? Go and look where the road that leads to Sokoto, where Shagari is living. You can't compare it. He did not do anything for the Euro. Nobody enjoyed Obasanjo. He should stop writing letter. The man could have even arrested all of them and put them in house arrest and make them redundant. For a soldier to fight a soldier in the public is an abomination. Even what they did, what Yar'Adua did, they could have plucked out his two eyes. Because there is nobody who can try that with him when he was still a soldier. He manipulated his way. Himself and in the military era, in the life of Nigerian military, till today, the three people that enjoy Nigeria the most is Obasanjo, Yar'Adua, and the other man that died, Ahigbe. Ahigbe,
Mike Ohaya Igwe.
Everywhere. Because they are the relative of the wife of Babangida. And the other guy who did the transmission travels. It was chains of cars in those days doing transmission travels. The junior brother, sister brother to Miriam Babangida. So when you look at all these things, we've never one day enjoyed. Even democracy dividends have not been given to anybody. And then when you look at what is happening, they have looted all the vault. It's only that man wanted to behave like another statesman. He could have thrown in the towel. I'm Buhari, I will not do 2 days. I will throw in the towel. I wouldn't want to soil my name.
You resign?
Yes, because there's nothing left. That 2 weeks they are there to eat. You saw how they looted the money. And look at all the whole thing. Saraki was collecting from both ways in order to make sure that this vehicle will not move. They are fighting corruption. He said he didn't want to go. How do we want to go?
Yes, of course.
They are accusing you of all this trouble. You say you won't step aside.
Yes.
You are leaving office to go and give it to PDP Kodemadu.
To the court.
Yes, sir. So what type of dirty letter are they writing? APC will come back again. Oh. So no matter anything, there's nothing anybody can do. It's in this book.
Buhari is coming back.
It's here now.
In the book, yeah.
You've not read it?
Yes, yes.
APC will come back again. So, who is campaigning against Buhari now?
Nobody, sir.
Do you know that the INEC will not allow anybody who has litigation to get a form? Have you heard that before?
No, sir.
That's what will happen.
No, I've not heard that.
June, July, you will see what will happen. Head will still roll. EFCC will still kill a lot of people.
The Dr. is even crying now that they made him look like a thief, that America has even seized his visa, they didn't give him visa.
That is the last visit, that is the last thing they went to go and do. That when they are going to start the last hit, they won't allow anybody to travel.
The Atiku also crying too, sir.
You say what?
The Atiku Abubakar is also crying too, sir.
No, he has not started crying.
Okay, sir.
They have not given him a handkerchief to clean his eyes.
Okay, like
the one Abacha did to there.
and
Musa
did to
that letter we give them, we serve them right. They cannot go anywhere. And next dispensation, when we are going to have good Senate and good House of Assembly, you will see, even before the end of January, all the train station and then the road will be open. Nigeria, we have to start with somebody. There may be, but next dispensation we face light. Even Nigerians are so stupid about light. They don't know how to maximize light. The little they give to us, some will put on their light and go to work. Maybe they're going to bring the white people to come and give us the orientation on how to handle the NEPA world or something. So nothing too special for the election. There's no election. And then, I told them here that they should make it 5 years.
Yes, sir.
So that we will not waste money for printing anything. How many political parties do we have? We didn't have the party as if we are serious. We have about 20 political parties or 50 political parties. So even some did not even have secretariat. Some use their toilet as their office. Yes. Some use their wife kitchen as their secretariat. Some use their dilapidated father house in Agbo as where to collect from. And that's what we want to come and face. You see, when they are deceiving you, don't deceive yourself. But I continue, but I might koja in 2019. I must say Okuto in 2019. Why Bokwena to Kusile, Elomi one police station, they are going to use many methods next year. And don't lose the case, I lose life. For next year election is going to be the simplest election so far in Nigeria. It's going to be very, very simple. And Buhari will come back again. And he's the only one who can tell us the truth. Although it's not people's choice, not God's choice. Torí àwọn olè ló gbé wá. Àwọn olè ló gbé wá, olè gbà. Ọbásanjọ́ olè, Tinubu olè, Ṣóyínká olè. Tí Ṣóyínká bá ti fowó ìjọba tí ò bá ti rí akọ̀wé. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ kówó wá. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí láti àfúnni honorary àti ẹ̀ ìdámẹ́wàá tiẹ̀ òun náà tó ṣe rògbòn díẹ̀ ẹni òun ní town hall meeting àwọn olókọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pààyàn Nàìjíríà Wọlé Ṣóyínká ni àwọn ló dá court ilẹ̀ àwọn Awólọ́wọ̀ àwọn ló dá court ilẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n rí pé ayé wa ti kọjú sí north nígbà tí commissioner of health tó ti jówó health tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú láìsí yàn so ọjọ́ wo lọ́lọ́run tó fẹ́ yọ́nú sí wa.
That's evil.
Then kàdé tó wá bẹ àwọn Nigerians àwọn Yorùbá takò yìí àdàbí Yorùbá olórí burúkú gbogbo Yorùbá lórí wa ti burú every Thursday and Friday wa tú síta a máa ṣe party bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kò sí problem láàrin wa we are too artificial the Yorùbás are too artificial wọ́n wá já hall mẹ́ta pọ̀ wọ́n wá mú aṣọ ẹbí wọ́n wá dàbí jẹ́sí mayu everybody a máa káàkiri mayu Arsenal ní ìlú òyìnbó lọ́hùn kẹ̀ ní London wàá rí Chelsea Crystal Palace àwọn náà wọ́n ti wọ́n Sunday wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti Thursday Chelsea Birmingham Dundee United Asabe United nígbà tí wọ́n bá ti wá gbá bọ́ọ̀lù wọn tán àti wá bọ́ sáré àwọn Yorùbá tó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tapul wọn láwọn Dundee báwo ni nǹkan tó ń pè ní Dundee ṣe lè United nígbà tó yìnbó sọ pé Dundee United ṣé Dundee lè United bí o jẹ́ pé Nigerians la ṣe wá mọ̀ pé àwọn arọ àwọn beggars wọn ní association àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ agbáko tí tó bá fún wọn 5 naira tó máa ju gbárí ní Kẹjà pé owó wò lélẹ̀ wọn tọrọ wọn ti gbọ́ bó ṣe ń jówó l'Àbújá wọn yà arọ ní bọ̀tẹ́ òun ló dàbí man tí ọba of Benin kan láyé kan ó bí Bẹ́sà ọmọ ẹ̀ dàbí àwọn just like the rape person a girl. Then ọba Èkìtì kan náà tó wá bí obìnrin irú ẹ̀ so when they were doing a party tó ń káàkiri tó ń ṣe meeting àwọn ọba lọ́ba bí wọ́n yẹn ṣe mistake ọmọ yẹn kàn fà jáde bí monkey ọmọ yẹn máa disgrace gbogbo àwọn ọba ti rí kínní oníṣẹ́ gbogbo wọn ti rọ́ níwọ̀n ọba yẹn wá gbàtọ́ parí meeting ọba Benin wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ọmọ èmi náà nírú ọmọ tó dàbí gorilla yìí pé bóyá ilé táwọn fi ń sanwó nání kí wọ́n gbé lọ sí kí ó fóun kọ́ lọ gbé fún tọ̀dọ̀ tó wà ní Èkìtì so bọ́n ṣe wọ́n lọ fi mọ́tò gbé ó ṣe àṣẹ wọn tó ṣáà di gíláàsì mọ́tò ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tó ṣe jẹ́ wọn lórí àwọn jáde wọ́n ṣáà gbé dẹ́kìtì so ó di oṣù kí ni wọ́n ṣáà fún wọn lóúnjẹ bẹ̀bẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ wúrẹ́ lẹ́yìn lóúnjẹ wọ́n jọ ń sùn bẹ̀ wọ́n máa pariwo bàbá yìí wọ́n ní ilé ìtàkùn tó lọ gbé wáta tó fi dá sí wàhálà sí wa lọ́rùn ó lóun fẹ́ lọ sọ bóyá kó lọ kọ́ wọn bó ṣe máa dóra wọn kó má kàn jẹ́ lásán nígbà tí òjò ń rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ tí bàbá yẹn máa fi débẹ̀ kábíyèsí yẹn tó máa fi wọlé ṣe níbẹ̀ ní pariwo fíkì kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ níbi sọgbà tó máa wà àwọn méjèèjì wọ́n wà lórí ara wọn kí tẹ̀lé kí wọ́n bára wọn sùn pàdé kan wọ́n tún kiss wọ́n ṣe àjẹ́ bàbá yẹn dúró títí ó ní disability ability ṣe wà náà disability so ó wá jáde lọ irú ability wo lélẹ̀ ok so ó wá lọ pè ìyàwó ẹ̀ wá jí ìyàwó ẹ̀ ọdún nígbà tó ti ń bọ̀ tó ti lọ láti ẹ̀kan tó kúrò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ní jòkó ọmọ yìí tún lágbára ju normal woman being o ọmọ ẹ wà lórí ìyàwó àwọn orin wọn yẹn odidi 2 hours kò bọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ wà lókè ṣé tó dán náà ní àdúgbò lọ́wọ́ lórí ẹni ó ti pé ìṣẹ́ka tó lọ wọ́n ti tún débẹ̀ wọ́n ti kí wọ́n tẹ́ gidigidi ìhàn lókè so there is a joy in a disability nígbà tó máa di after 9 months ó bí méjì ọkùnrin méjì they are all able-bodied twins so bọ́n ṣe tilẹ̀kùn mọ́ ọmọ ni so ọlọ́run tó ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ ìyanu yẹn ó ṣe máa ṣe fún nàìjíríà ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó bá ti jáde lẹ́nu ẹ̀ pé nàìjíríà ò lè better once Nigeria is gonna be better kò ní sí láyé mọ́ tó ẹni tó bá máa ròyìn ogun kò ní sí lógun kò ní kú sógun ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó bá ti ní kò lè better fún wa òun ni ò ní better fún nǹkan tí mo ní láti sọ fún nàìjíríà so ẹni tó bá jówó wa tó bá lè kó wa wọ́ọ́rọ́wọ́ you know I told you 5 years ago that Switzerland will tell the world one day
yes, sir.
that their server is down.
All the money.
That all what they have.
The money.
It happened last week.
The code. That they will forget the code.
It happened last week. By 2030, all the computer they have in the space will collapse.
Jesus Christ.
We will lose all data before 2035. We will now start the ABD way again. Because those are the things that took away the job from the youth. You know what happened in the Dublin I traveled lately?
No, sir.
I bought a bottle of water. So I just put the coins. So to get some change, I bought a water of €1, less than €1. You know what happened to the machine?
What happened, sir?
He poured down plenty coins for me. I just pack everything and put it in my bag.
What's the meaning of that, sir?
No, God provide. Offering.
Yeah, okay.
He paid me you know they believe they are clever than God.
It's man-made now. Okay.
So that is how those people tormenting Nigeria will fail one day. So I packed those coins, I left. But the woman at the cashier, yeah, the noise was much, but I remained unruffled. So I packed everything, I just put it inside. I didn't mean I put it inside the pocket, we know. So I just put everything inside, it's my luck. So the very other man that came to buy again, I was watching from afar. So when he pays, he'll just get 1 coin. Okay. I believe it's just, this is dash. This is honorarium. So when I got to, like, when I got to London too, there was a time I wanted to get money from the machine. I just want £300. He just gave me £1,000. So I said, this one, I won't take it away. I went to the manager. I said, I want £300. This thing displays more than what I want. How is it? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So they went to go and adjust then I gave them the 300. They said, sir, do you live in they said they gave me the umbrella and diary. It's okay. But if you make it the second time, I will return it. So I will take it to Agege and take it to make feast. And we do it like Omo Agege and run away with it. So God bless you.